SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So, we're gonna dive straight to it. we're gonna dive straight to it. You know what I'm saying? So, peep gang. In my previous video, we were um in this week. You know what I'm saying? This was last week, so we was here. But I remember, letting like this is a continuation to these take profit levels. You know what I mean? And as you can see, and remember we had got this internal breaker structure that proclaimed or solidified that this is the continuation into these take profits, and not that this was a because knowing market structure, we knew the swing point was, or the most recent swing point that price was respecting was this impulsive move here. And then this bullishness could have been, a retracement. We was calling it a retracement, but we knew that we would have to read price in order to know what price is doing when it get to this level. And when price got here, you see what we encountered, a breaker structure. So we knew then that, we most definitely was in this continuation. So as you can see, what price has done, now in order to know what price is doing inside that weekly price action, we scale down to the daily. And on the daily, looking at most recent swing, price just yesterday just created um, two swing points, swing to swing, higher low, higher high, and now price is in this bearish retracement on the daily, and we can anticipate a bullish continuation. Now, we got this tweezer bottom here, and price just produced this bearish engulfing. Now, we broke above these weekly highs and monthly highs, and then price came down and right back below it. And this is another level. Price hasn't encountered this level yet. Came close, but we see now price is bearish. So, we want like to continue to see bearish price action, and then we get that bullish expansion. But, all in all, where we got the swing to swing, and now it's basically, again, remember, this is daily structure. It's like what levels are in these swing points that can cause price to encounter its continuation. So I'm just reading price, reading these candles at these significant levels that I deem, over analyzing the market and studying it. There's levels that I deem significant that, make price buy or sell. And based on the levels that I deem significant, it's all about what is price doing at these levels for me. You know what I mean? I've put the time in to study this market, analyze it day and night, and I'm to the point where I can read the language of these candles. You know what I'm saying? Straight like that. So, boom, swing to swing. And now in order to know what price is doing here on this daily price action, scale down to the 12 hour. And as you can see, yeah, even in the previous video, price was price was here. Price hasn't even gave that flush down yet. So in my previous video a couple days ago, uh, yeah, we had got this, swing to swing, and then price came back down, retesting this retracement trend line. Remember on the daily, this what price was at. Retracement trend line. Price broke above it, came down, retested it. You see what price produced on the daily time frame. Essentially an internal retracement. Price came down, encountered the open of this bullish Maribozo candle here, coming down, ultimately retesting the retracement trend line, and then showed respect, printing a what? Hammer, like a long handled hammer too, and which produced this move here. So, you know, yeah, you know, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. Yeah, that was a beautiful move. I promise you. Now, see where we are in price action. But yeah. So to the 12-hour, as you can see, price came above it with that bullish push, and price could have came back to this level and respected it, retested it uh, to continue up. But what did we get? Price flushed down, closed below it, and then the next candle came up, retested the level, and now pushed down. And now this is current price action. So yeah, that's how we looking at it. Yeah, man. We want to see bearish price action here in this retracement phase. We understand which phase of the market price is in. Price is in a bearish retracement phase. So price should be creating bearish price action into a level that will cause price to encounter its bullish continuation, which then that retracement phase will be over and we'll be encountering the phase of the continuation. So, you know, there you have it. But yeah, oh yeah, also, you know, on the 20th, I did hit the folks with a screenshot and a nice post. Yeah, man, if you follow me, I'm trading, But um, yeah, straight like that, baby. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful work. Yeah, beautiful work. But you heard it here first, baby. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader, I'm on the what?